I'll take that question with Sanjay Sahai. Sanjay Sahai, Supreme Court there observing that perhaps the superintendent of police, the jail authorities should also be taken to task for the way Darshan was treated, because he was not treated like or at par with law. He was treated specially. He was given VVIP treatment. He was allowed to do as he pleased. And that continues to be a cause of concern.
I think by this time, action should already have been taken on the jail superintendent, and the pictures which appeared from the jail. I think that was very, very disturbing. What is critical in this case is not only that the evidence which has been garnered, Darshan has literally been trying to play around with the Indian judicial system itself. So he gets bail on 30th of October 2024 on the reason of his medical issues. And the medical issue was directly related to a spinal surgery which was to be performed. So one side you have the medical superintendent, one side you have the jail superintendent. On the other side, there is some doctor in BGS Global, if I'm not mistaken, who has been certifying a variety of things. The legality and the authenticity of those medical infirmities can be challenged by the very fact that till today, on the 14th of August, 2025, those surgeries have not been performed. The most crucial fact, I think, which goes behind Supreme Court coming down so heavily on the Karnataka High Court is primarily the fact that these issues were brought to the notice of Karnataka High Court on 13th of December 2024, and still a regular bail was granted to him. Things don't end there. The powers, or it is a delegated power to the City Sessions Court, a Bengaluru City Sessions Court, which goes ahead and gives 2 waivers to Darshan to travel first to Dubai and Europe, which I don't think it materialized, and then to travel to Hong Kong for a movie called Devil. Now, is the judicial system or the courts in this country there to decide what is the urgency of Darshan to go and shoot a murder case accused, where the charge sheet has been filed within the stipulated time, which has an extremely bad track record? Fake accused were produced when the case had started. And all the other details which your reporter has talked about, all those reporters are facts. All those evidences are facts. Then he goes to the jail. He does whatever he does in the jail. And from 30th of October till today, he has been out on bail in a variety of reasons after giving all, I might call it as a fake sort of a alibi for his medical illness. And when the medical illness was there, or a spinal surgery was warranted, or there was issue with his back, why that couldn't have been done in a government facility? Bangalore is not devoid of government hospitals where this sort of a surgery could not have. So he has been playing fool with the judicial system. He has been playing fool with this particular.
Would it be fair to say that perhaps even the judiciary is in a mode of fandom? There's so much fan fervor around Darshan, so it appears that members of judiciary happen to be his fans as well, because he's being treated differently.
I will not go for that. And my understanding of judiciary is, if the judiciary thinks on those lines, I'm not ready to accept that for, I think, the fairness concept and investigation concept. What I would say is that whatever arguments were put forth to the court, I think it was not evaluated properly, and they went by whatever the defense lawyer said, and the court supposedly believed that. But in the fairness of things, I don't think that was a legally tenable, factually tenable understanding of things by which the court went ahead. And it was certainly hugely perilous. And it was a mistake which has been brought out by Supreme Court. And Supreme Court says it was perverse and wholly unwarranted exercise and discretion. I think it's one of the most scathing remarks we ever hear on High Court judge by the Supreme Court of India. So broadly, rest of whatever impressions we develop, perceptions we develop, I think most of it I would find it to be true from a legal point of view, from an investigation point of view, from judicial trial point of view.